Allie.
I don't know.
Allie.
Something is exploding. Okay. I'm giving birth to movies.
Allie is freaking the fuck out.
Something is deflating in here. I can't even. I love the bubble. Listen. I can't stop laughing anymore. Hey, listen. Okay.
Okay. Your hair. It's so staticky.
Look at my hair when I get ready. My legs are
Come look at
bent.
this bitch's
They're
hair.
gonna be like this forever. They're gonna.
Look, let her look at your hair.
Do you seriously have a handful of movies?
No, I don't know what I want to watch.
Watch.
Not this one. Will you take it?
Yeah.
It's out.
Not that American one.
Okay, wait.
Because that movie just sucks.
What is it, American Beauty?
I want to watch this.
Okay, put it in. I'll take the rest of them.
She's gonna put it in.
Can you hand me the remote?
J-Ray will take care of that.
Which one?
I need the big one. The white one. Ah.
The black one? Here, Allie.
I got it. This is the wrong one.
Both of them are wrong.
Oh, yeah.
What?
You want me to have you?
Yeah, just roll this way. What the fuck?
Allie, you have to put the DVD in one ear of the ball.
Listen.
We can't. We need the remote.
Yes, you can.
Allie.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.